How about that as a prime rib roast? Look at that, nice. Wow, that's fantastic. I could slice these down the bone, and I've got two massive bones. So I could slice it straight down, have two massive bone-in rib chops. Not looking to do that tonight. I want to roast it. I want to get a little bit more flavor in here. What am I putting in this tonight? Garlic, some rosemary, salt, pepper, basic. Let's take some garlic, whole cloves here. Fresh rosemary. This rosemary smells fantastic, fresh. All we're gonna do here on this roast, turn it up sideways, okay? And find a little spot right there and make a small incision right in. Now, watch. Salt in the hole. Pepper in the hole. Garlic clove, press it down in the hole. Now, I'm even gonna get crazy here. Take the rosemary, press it down in the hole again. That's the first spot, because we want flavor everywhere, okay? Incision. Now, I'm not going all the way through the roast here, okay? Salt in, pepper in, garlic in, rosemary in. You gotta shove it right in the hole. Go to the other side. In there. Salt in, pepper in, garlic. Shove that right in the hole. And rosemary, last one, in. So now that that's stuffed, olive oil, drizzle, and rub. It's got a lot of marbling here, quite a bit of fat. Okay, good. Now, your roast is ready, right? It's stuffed up, seasoned up, flavored up. Now, ideally, if you could put this, wrap it in plastic really tight, put it back in the fridge for at least an hour, would be even better. Just be sure that your cast iron pan is extremely hot when you're gonna pop it in. This whole process is gonna take about 15 minutes because we wanna make sure we sear each side to lock in all the juices and all the flavor before we put it in the oven. Let's sear this bad boy up. So I'm gonna go on the side first. Check this out. I want to show you. See that? We're getting a nice crust. Okay? You can always press it down to make sure that you're getting a nice, even sear, okay? Other side. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And on the bottom, excellent. See that crust? Looks beautiful, right? So now we'll make sure we're going to go right up here and we're going to use our pan to rest it. Okay? What we're able to do now is we're searing underneath and we're also searing part of the front side. So we're using our entire cast iron pan here to get the job done. Check that out. Beautiful. See that? That's exactly what we want. And now we'll go on the other side. And we'll make sure we press that just so we get a nice even sear. Okay? Reduce the heat. Remove it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to deglaze. A little bit of red wine. A little bit of stock. Roast back in. I want to place some onions in and around. And finally some more rosemary. Oven is hot. In we go. Set that up. Perfect. Look at that. What a beauty. Show it 125. Transfer this out of the pan. Everything that's in the pan to make a nice thick gravy. Now just a little bit of red wine. Delicious gravy, a nice red wine reduction to go with our roast. We've got two big bones in there, so we're gonna go right in the center and see how we do. Oh, yes, sir. I'm gonna bring you in for a closer look. I hope the lighting does this justice. This is beautiful. Remember, I stuffed it with rosemary, with garlic, with salt, with pepper. I can see the clumps of garlic in there. Some of our onion mix. That's a bone-in rib roast with a red wine reduction. You want some? It smells absolutely delicious. The most important thing when cooking a roast or even a steak or anything for that matter is cook it the way you like it, not the way that other people are going to like it. If you're the one eating it, make sure you're the one that's happy. Don't worry about being judged. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm anxious too. Look at that. This thing is so thick. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. I'm anxious to get in there with some of that delicious gravy. Here we go. Wow. Boom! That flavor profile is just bang on. I'm going right in the center. This is delicious.